Hello everyone, Ronnie Bowles here with Mason, air guns, etc. Anyway, want to do a video today on some new barrels and new projectiles on my air cannon, see what happens. So here we go. This is the gun, and there's the three barrels I'm going to use. One is attached to it already. There's the three projectiles. A 625 caliber broadhead dart, a 20 gauge shotgun slug, and a 410 gauge shotgun slug. And they're all loaded already. We have pressure on the system. All I could get it up to was 130 psi. My home compressor would not do any more inside here. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go outside, got it set up, and I'll restart the video. Okay, I'm racing against time here with the daylight. Here's my chronograph. There's the box with a lot of stuffing in it. And our first projectile is 20 gauge shotgun slug. We're gonna see how fast it goes. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 317 feet per second, and it put a pretty big hole in the middle there. Anyway, we're gonna recharge and shoot another projectile. Be back in a minute.